Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Uli Nur Abidah. I'm from English Language Education. And I will explain about comparison of degree. What is comparison of degree? So, let's take a look at the following discussion about the comparison of degree. Understanding comparison degree. Comparison degree is a term in English grammar to show comparison. In a comparison degree, an adjective or an adverb will change its form according to the level of comparison. Therefore, the comparison degree can also be referred to as the comparison degree. And I will repeat again. Understanding comparison degree. Comparison degree is a term in English grammar to show comparison. In a comparison degree, an adjective or an adverb will change its form according to the level of comparison. Therefore, the comparison degree can also be referred to as the comparison degree. What is function of comparison degree? Comparison degree is used when you want to compare one thing with another. Comparison degree level. Comparison degree has 3 levels. What is? Namely, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. I'm repeat once again. Comparison degree has 3 levels, namely positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And number 1, or A, positive degree. In the positive degree, the two things being compared are at the same or comparable level. Therefore, they are used as adjective or adverb or as. I will repeat again. In the positive degree, the two things being compared are at the same or comparable level. Therefore, they are used as adjective or adverb as. And for example, positive degree, Sarah as smart as Jane. And 2 or B, comparative degree. What is comparative degree? In the comparative degree, one of the two things being compared is more than the other. One of the two things being compared is more than the other. And comparative degree used then after adjective. Usually comparative degree used then after the adjective. In comparative degree have 2 rules. Rules 1, adjective plus er plus then, and this used for 1 syllable. Example is, my father is taller than my brother. And rules number 2 from comparative degree, more plus adjective plus than. This used for more than 1 syllable. And for example, my sister is more beautiful than Kimberly. Please remember 4 to rules comparative degree. And 3 or C, superlative degree. In the superlative degree, the thing being discussed has the nature of the most among the others. The thing being discussed has the nature of the most among the other. Superlative degree always use the before the adjective. Superlative degree 2 have two rules. Rules 1, the plus adjective plus est. This for one syllable. Example, my father is the tallest in my family. In the sentence tells there are est. This because have one syllable. And number 2 for rule superlative degree is the plus most plus adjective, and this used for more than one syllable. For example, my sister is the most beautiful girl in my town. Well, usually, after knowing the pattern and example of comparison of degree sentences, friends will definitely ask the following questions. When should you use er for est? And when should you use more or most? This answer. The use of or us or more or most must be adjusted to the adjective or adverb used in the sentences. I will repeat again for you. The use of or us or more or most must be adjusted to the adjective or adverb used in the sentence. There are several rules including adjective or adverb with one syllable. The meaning of one syllable is that the adjective or adverb can be cut off so that it is pronounced only once. Example, ship are pronounced as ship instead of CHIEP. Large is pronounced R or LARG instead of large. Adjective or adverb with one syllable always use or us. But if the adjective or adverb ends in a consonant that is preceded by a vowel, then the last consonant must be doubled. Big changes the shape to the bigger and biggest, not bigger and biggest, because big ends in a consonant G with one vowel I preceded. So the last consonant must be written in double, while ship is written as shipper and shippers, not shipper and shippers, because ship ends in a consonant P but is preceded by two vowels, namely E and A, so that the last consonant does not need to be written in double. Adjective or adverb with two syllables. The meaning of two syllables is that the adjective or adverb can be split into two, so that the pronunciation consists of two words. Example, happy is pronounced as GHEPPI, or clever is pronounced as KLEVER. Adjective or adverbs with two syllables can use or s. You can also use more or most. An adjective or adverb with two syllables that use er or us has the following characteristics, adding in lay out example, clever, simple, shallow, it's an in why, but why change the form to I. For example, happy becomes happier, and happiest adjective or adverb with two syllables that use more or most have the following characteristics, ending in lie, full, less, ing, ed, aus. Example, calmly, painful, hopeless, boring, worried, famous. Adjective or adverb with three or more syllables. The meaning of three or more syllables is that the adjective or adverb can be split into three or more, so that the pronunciation consists of three or more words. Example, expensive is pronounced as expensive, or comfortable is pronounced as comfortable. Or adjective or adverb with three or more syllables always use more or most. Adjective or adverb with irregular form of adjective or adverb doesn't follow the rules for adding er for es or more or most, because that's already patterned from the start. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.